Hi guys! So today I'm doing something very fun. I asked on Facebook as well as YouTube what it is that you guys would like me to do. The first request was the one of how to wash your brushes. And today I'm going to respond to Lorraine's question of how to do expressive flower stems. So let's go on a hunt. Lorraine, are you coming with? To start off the painting, I am dividing the canvas into a bluish sky at the top and a brownish area in the bottom. Next, I will create depth to create the illusion of a field. Because it is an expressive painting, you can splash paint onto your canvas as well as applying different variations of color with a brush or a palette knife. In order to not splash everywhere, I placed a towel over the parts where I did not want the splatter to go. Using a palette knife for this type of painting is great because you can scratch through the areas to lift up the paint so that the original colors can be revealed. This immediately adds to the illusion of depth. I am adding the flowers in with bright and bold colors. This creates a beautiful contrast to push back the background and create a foreground. I then added in stems for the flowers, as well as strands of grass that fall over the flowers to pull you into the painting and create more layers. Feel that there is not enough contrast, you can always take a dark color and paint around the areas that you want to pop out. If that is still not enough, add a super light color onto it to create extra distinction. To round everything off, I revisited the sky and ground areas to define them more. I also extended it around the edges to make it seem like it doesn't just stop abruptly, but instead flow out of the painting. And finally, I finished off the piece with a few colorful splashes. I've decided to put the painting featured in this video up for sale. Please follow the link in the description for more information regarding that. Thank you so much for joining Menelite for another video. Please remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. See you next time!